Hey challengers, happy Monday. So it's Motivational Monday, so I thought I'd take a second and give you guys a Motivational Monday video. So hope you guys are sticking on track with things and actually starting to find that you're loving what you're doing. You should start to notice that as you're eating healthy, as you're drinking your Shakeology, as you're working out and you're making these a routine, it's not like you're fighting yourself anymore, that you kind of start to like it. So if you're not quite there yet, that's okay. Think about this. It took a long time to get to where you were. So to be able to just turn around and in 2 weeks say, oh my gosh, I'm totally better, that's not going to happen. It is a matter of just recreating things for yourself and teaching your brain that you like this. When I used to do my workouts and hated them, like I was like, oh, I don't want to do them. Every time after I did my workout, I'd go look in the mirror and I'd say, wasn't that awesome? And I know it sounds really corny, but I'd self-talk and I'd be like, I love this. Other things I'll do during my workout sometimes is I'll play other podcasts or other workout music to pump myself up. Chalene Johnson, you guys should check her out. She is awesome. She has a really great podcast. She has two of them. I can't remember what the name of it is. There's one called Build Your Tribe, and then the other one I think is Chalene Show. Check out the Chalene Show. She has some really great, just motivational topics that you can listen to while you're working out. If you ever get bored and you're like, oh, I don't want to do this, play one of those while you're doing it and just kind of be uplifted with your spirit as well. Okay, so I want to talk really quickly. Do you have any friends or family that are starting to notice what you're doing? Or maybe you're going to parties, or you're maybe going to picnics, or starting back to work if you're a teacher, or maybe you're already at work if you're not a teacher. And maybe people are starting to ask questions, or maybe they invite you out to eat. And you're like, crap, how am I supposed to do this without being awkward and feeling like I'm pushing something on them if they don't want to do this? Part of the thing with getting healthy is you do have to kind of decide, okay, I'm going to brace myself, and you got to be willing to take a little bit of flack because people might give it to you. The reason why they're doing that, it's not because they don't care about you. It's just that they maybe see you as something that they want to do, and they just don't have the guts to get started, and they see you, and they kind of feel guilty about it. So just kind of keep that in the back of your mind. Not like you can really do a lot about that, but just kind of be sensitive to that. And as you're at parties and as you're doing things, just kind of, you can not have the top to a hamburger bun, and you don't have to draw a ton of attention to yourself. But at the same time, it might be good to just open up that conversation and say, hey, just wanted to let you know if I'm eating a little bit differently or I'm doing different things right now. I am really working on my personal health and fitness goals, and share a little bit of your why with them so that they can see, okay, you're not just doing it and rubbing it in their face. You're saying, hey, this is why I'm doing this because it really means a lot to me. And say, you know what, I don't expect you to do what I'm doing, and I'm not judging you for not doing what I'm doing, but I just wanted to give you a heads up so you know why I'm doing this. And if you just tell people that you don't expect them to do what you're doing, that right there will help them just kind of relieve that guilt so that they're not feeling weird around you. And maybe, you never know, they might actually be interested in joining you. If you have friends stay with you, offer to let them do a workout with you. I had some friends visit us a little while ago, and they know what I do, and I invited them to work out with me, and it was great. But at the same time, we had that conversation, and I said, yeah, I don't expect you to do what I do because you don't have to. It's up to you. It's your personal choice. So just kind of think about that. I'd love to hear your comments below. Do you guys ever run into that? Have you run into that? How do you handle those situations? Hope you guys have a fantastic Monday, and I'll talk to you guys later.